Mary, the client called again. They want to add a new feature.
Another one? What is it this time?
They want a chat system inside the app.
John, that is not in the project scope.
I know, but they say it is a small change.
A chat system is not small. It takes weeks to build.
I told them that, but they said just add a simple one.
This happens every time. One small thing becomes 10 big things.
So, what do we do?
We go back to the contract. The scope is very clear.
And if they still want it?
Then we write a new proposal. New feature, new timeline, new price.
Good idea. I will set up a meeting with the client today.
Perfect. And, John, next time, say no before it becomes a monster.
I learned my lesson. No more free features.
Now you're thinking like a project manager.